Okay. What's your full name?
My name is Fluent Ayza.
Fluent Ayza. Fluent Ayza. What's your school name?
My school name is Radiant School and College.
Radiant School and College. Oh. What's your mother name?
My mother's name is Afsana Mimi.
Afsana Mimi. What's your father name?
My father's name is Azimul Islam.
Oh, fine. What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Wow. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Wow, nice. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is kachi.
Kachi. Kachi, cake, aram pachi, right? Okay. So what's your favorite color?
Favorite color.
My
favorite color is pink.
pink. Wow. So okay. What's your sister name?
My sister name is Aflin Arwa.
Afzin Arwa.
Aflin Arwa.
Afzin Arwa. Okay. What's your brother name?
No.
You have no brother.
No.
You have no brother, right? Okay, fine. Okay. So what's your teacher name?
My teacher name is
Shubra Ahmed. Right? Okay. Our little champion, right? Right? Okay, fine. Okay. So do you like English?
yes.
Yes, I like English. Serious? Okay. Okay, what's your friend name?
No.
You have no friend? You have no friend? Oh, fine. Got it. Okay, fine. Okay, so do you go to school every day?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, will you go to school tomorrow? Will you go to school tomorrow? আগামীকাল স্কুলে যাবে?
Yes.
Yes? Wow, good. Okay, ও জানে কিভাবে কোশ্চেন্স করলে অ্যান্সার দিতে হয় এখনই জানে, তাই না? You know it, right? Okay, thank you. অর্জনের ক্ল্যাপ দাও।